Hello guys, it's Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I want to show you unboxing of the Apple 4-pack AirTags. So you know that from a few years Apple have a new feature. If you want to check where is something of your equipment, it can be a car, it can be a bag, it can be your bicycle, doesn't matter. You can put one tag and you can check on your iPhone where is it. Very fast and very useful. If you forget or if you have another things to do, no need to think where is your equipment. You just tag it, and that's all. Let's see what we have inside this new box. And we have another thing to open it. So we have a documentation here, and here is the AirTag itself. So there are 2 by 2. You can put it on different places and you can use it for different things. Let's take one and see it. It's very fancy. It's very nice. Perfect silver cover. Right? It's integrated with battery inside. So no more worries if you think that you can forget something. Just put one tag there and you will know where it is. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.